I'm sure you've heard the news. Hair today? Gone tomorrow? Not exactly. So what really happens if you accidentally swallow some hair? First off, don't panic. A single strand of hair is made up of keratin, a protein that's actually pretty tough. Most of the time, your body just treats it like any other indigestible material. It goes on a wild ride through your digestive system and eventually, well, but wait, if you eat a lot of hair, you might form something called a bezoar. Yep, it's as weird as it sounds. A hairball can build up in your stomach, causing pain and even blockages. So if you find yourself munching on your mane, it's time to break that habit. Remember, hair belongs on your head, not in your stomach. Stay curious and keep your hair where it belongs.